Welcome back to HSE Tutorials. Today, we will be answering another NEBOSH IGC 1 question. Identify sources of information that an organization can use to help maintain and promote good standards of health and safety in the workplace. We will carefully explain each point just as it should be written in the actual exam. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to HSE Tutorials. Organizations can use two types of sources of information. One is external sources and second internal sources. External sources are following: 1. National legislation, directives, regulations, and codes of practice, including ILO conventions and recommendations. 2. Publications and guidance from bodies such as WHO, EU OSHA, UK HSE, OSHA, and similar regulators. Third, international and national standards: ISO, BSI, OSHA, ISO 45001. Fourth, manufacturer or supplier data, e.g., safety data sheets, technical specifications. 5. Trade associations, unions, professional bodies, and safety journals or magazines. Internal sources are following: 1. Accident and ill health records, incident investigation reports. 2. Documentation from risk assessments, inspections, audits, and workplace monitoring. 3. Medical surveillance and health records. 4. Maintenance reports and equipment check logs. 5. Minutes from safety committee meetings and staff consultation sessions. 6. Results of near-miss reports and proactive hazard observations.